Let's be honest. Learners often say, I'm angry or I got angry, and that's fine. But native speakers have much more natural and expressive ways to talk about anger. So today, I'll show you 10 idioms about anger you can start using immediately. They're common, real, and used in everyday English. Let's jump in. Lose my temper. This means you stop controlling your anger and react emotionally. Examples. I lost my temper when he kept interrupting me. Don't lose your temper. Stay calm. Flip out. This is used when someone suddenly becomes very angry or upset. Examples. She flipped out when she saw the mess. My boss flipped out over the mistake. Go off on someone is to start yelling or criticizing someone aggressively. Examples. He went off on me for being late. She went off on the waiter for no reason. Hit the roof, hit the ceiling. These two mean to become extremely angry very quickly. Examples. Dad hit the roof when he saw the phone bill. She hit the ceiling after hearing the news. See red. It means to feel sudden, intense anger, like your vision fills with anger. Examples. When he insulted my friend, I saw red. I see red every time he lies. Be fuming. You're very angry, and people can see it in your face. Examples. She was fuming after the meeting. He walked out of the room absolutely fuming. Be seething. You're extremely angry inside, but you're trying to hide it. Examples. He was seething, but he stayed quiet. You could tell she was seething with anger. Blow a fuse, blow a gasket. It comes about sudden explosion of anger, like a machine breaking from the pressure. Examples. Mom blew a fuse when she found out. He blew a gasket over something small. Snap at someone. This one is about saying something suddenly in an angry way, usually because you're stressed. Examples. Sorry, I didn't mean to snap at you. He snapped at his coworkers all morning. Have a short fuse. This means to be the type of person who gets angry easily. Examples. Be careful, he has a short fuse. She knows she has a short fuse and is working on it. So the next time you feel angry, don't just say, I'm angry. Try one of these idioms to sound more natural, more expressive, and more like a native speaker. See you in the next lesson.